White Bison Coffee, your favorite craft coffee drinks. Lattes, frapps, and a variety of roasts. Prepared just for you. Now serving inside at twice daily.
What's good with y'all, man, dawg? We had 250 subscribers. I mean, we doing... First of all, let me just say I appreciate everyone who's been following me on my journey, man. Like, I started this channel and got this car in February, like mid-February. So it's just been amazing to see how much you guys have really, like, supported me, commented on all my videos, liked all my videos. Even just subscribing nowadays, like, subscribing is even a lot harder than what it used to be, I feel like, because you can just get the content. You don't got to sign up for it to be repeatedly coming on your feed. So I definitely appreciate everyone who subscribes to me so far, man. It's definitely been a journey. I've been enjoying every piece of it. Woo. Bro, this joint is still fun to drive. Like, what, 6 months later? Joint's still fun to drive, man. Trying to still be popping, still pick up there, man. And so far, all we've added to like the engine bay is just the cold air intake. I low-key feel like the cold air intake is what y'all been talking about, like, which is why like the exhaust sounds different. I might be dumb. Whew. I might be dumb for thinking something like that, but nothing has really changed as far as like how I do things. So that's the only thing I can think of. Yeah, nothing's really changed outside of that, so I'm like, what could they be talking about? But trust me, I read my comments, I see what y'all be talking about, so we gonna figure it out. I got big plans for the Mustang. I'm thinking about getting a boiler, what's it called? A boiler catback attack exhaust. I like the sound I've seen on that on a couple Mustangs, so I might get that, but that's like $2,000, so unless y'all try and donate, we gonna take our time with that one. We gonna take our time budgeting and saving for that one, man, for sure, for sure. Sometimes with these like drivers, bro, I can't tell where they want to go, so like it messes up my planning. Like, do y'all be doing the same thing, seeing gaps and planning how you want to get in through? I feel like that's the art of cutting. Look at this. Why would you want to do this now? He's coming. He has a lane to go. Like, but I mean, it is what it is. But honestly, man, like sometimes what I want to do with this channel is just give y'all motivation and inspirations. Like the car, giving y'all POVs is amazing, but I also want to motivate you guys. Remember, like, y'all can be in the same position as me. A lot of my comments, y'all are in the process of getting your own Mustang. Y'all are saving up too, and I want to let y'all know to keep going. Don't stop. Like, this is only the beginning for you. Like, this is only the beginning. Whatever car you got on your poster, whatever year Mustang you wanted to get, Shelby, GTD, GT, even in the EcoBoost, that's what you really want to get. That's what you can afford. I mean, you can do it. Go ahead and get that, man. Because I was in the same position as y'all. I was definitely in the same position as y'all. I'm just graceful enough, and God has blessed me enough with the opportunity to even buy this at my age. Like, I'm 24. I'm 24 right now, and I was obviously 24 when I bought it, but I'm about to be 25 tomorrow. And it's like, bro, just sit back and just think about everything I've accomplished at my age of 24, knowing that I'm going to accomplish more at 25. It's like, it's amazing, it's a blessing, it's motivating, it inspires me to keep on dropping videos for y'all. It inspires me to keep on trying to motivate y'all folks to let y'all know y'all can do the exact same thing as me. I'm no different than y'all. If y'all just want to be like me, or if y'all want to be in the position that I'm in, not necessarily be like me, driving your own Mustangs, then don't give up, bro. Just keep on going, keep on pushing. And there's there's a deeper meaning to yourself when you don't give up on yourself, man. When you continuously put yourself in the best position, when you continuously when you continuously disregard the naysayers, the haters, the doubters, everyone who thinks you can't do it, everyone who thinks your dreams are far-fetched. Let them think that, and then pop back out with the car that they wanted. Like, pop back out with the car you said you were gonna get. Like, you don't gotta talk a lot. Like, look at this guy, bro. Nice ass whip. Pushing it, just pushing it. Ooh, he's gone. He's gone. That's alright, we're gonna try and catch up with him. It's just Toyota Sienna. There's probably a family in here. Nah, for real, there's probably a family. Dude probably got his wife, his kids, his dog in the back, so he ain't trying to push it. But like, bro, nah, that Mercedes got the hell out of here, bro. Damn. I don't even know if I'll be able to catch up with bro. But like, dang, what was I saying? Like, I mean, bro, even like that, like me seeing that Mercedes on there, that just inspired me to do more. I mean, it inspired me to get him on the page. See if I can catch up to him and get y'all a little chase down video, but it still inspired me to motivate. And I promise you, if we talk to that same dude, there's a lot of stuff he had to go through to get to where he wanted to be too. But like, yeah, man, don't give up on yourself, man. Don't give up on yourself at all. I know y'all probably clicked on this video just thinking it's gonna be a gas station video, but I just felt called to like talk to y'all for a little bit, man. Just preach what the channel's about, you know, driven perspective. Like, yeah, I'm giving y'all POVs, but I also want y'all to be driven. I also want y'all to be in the same position as me. I also want y'all to have the same POV, but y'all don't need a camera. Y'all can just real life live this life. You know what I mean? Y'all can have just as much fun as I be having in my videos. Y'all can mod it out. Y'all can do everything that y'all want to do. Y'all can mod it out. Y'all can do everything that y'all want to do in the same video, man. So stay true to yourself, man. Don't give up on yourself. Keep the train going. Keep on pushing. Keep on motivating yourself. Don't let anyone tell you can't do it. Look, here the Mercedes right here. This dude right here that was going crazy earlier. And the Mercedes AMG. Oof, it's on clean, boy. And just like that. I don't know if he's going my way, but he definitely picked up. Dude ain't playing with me. But nah, bro. Like y'all can do it too. Y'all can definitely do it. And the thing is, y'all just have to have faith in yourself, man. Faith in yourself, faith in God. Because between you and all things are possible through God. All things can happen through God. You stay down, you focus, you put a plan, you get in a routine, you stay disciplined, you stay consistent. Like the thing about having blessings from God is all you gotta do is just put in the work, and He'll bless you. He'll bless you for sure. bro, is a proven method. You put in the work and God blesses you. Now, definitely want it to be within this plan, right? I mean, I'm not saying putting the work into some wild stuff, but we're just talking about getting your car. Yeah. I was talking to some guy earlier today while I was doing my interviews, and he was like, if it's in your brain, it's because God has implanted it in there for you. Future you is living out the dream life that you dream about right now. All you got to do is work hard to get there. And it's like, it sounds so simple, and I know when you put it into action and you know, put things into fruition, it's hard, but it's the truth, man. Like, I've been dreaming about this car, bro, since I was like 10. I never knew how I was gonna get there. I never knew how I was gonna get it, but I knew I was gonna get it before I hit 25, bro. I knew I was gonna hit it before I get 25. I told my mom that, I told everybody that, and now look at me, bro. I turned 25 tomorrow, and I got my dream car. Like, all because I knew I was gonna get it. All because I put everything in God's hands. Like, God always comes through. It's undeniable, like, it's inevitable. So yeah, man, when I come in here, oh my gosh. Why? Why would he do that? Yeah, man, so when I'm making these videos, man, it's like, it's really just to like motivate y'all, man. I want y'all to be here with me. I want y'all to hit me up. Hey, man, I just got my Mustang. Let's hop on the channel together. Hey, man, I just got my Camaro. Whatever you got, bro. Like, we can do a ride out. We can be our own car meets, man. Everybody who was able to make it. Everybody who kept themselves optimistic. Everyone who understood that they needed to believe in themselves to get there, bro. Those are the type of folks you want to be around. Those are the type of folks that you need to be in order to accomplish your goals, man. If I can do it, you can do it. And if you can do it, someone else can do it too. Nah, man. We can all make it happen. It's just a matter of time. It's a matter, are you willing to wait the time to make it happen? Can you make it? Are you willing to wait the time to make it happen? Are you willing to go through the ups and downs, go through the happiness and the sadness that comes with being successful, that comes with, you know what I mean, getting to where you want to be? Because it's not all going to be rainbows and roses, bro. Sometimes you're going to have to work them late hours. Sometimes you're going to have to say no to hanging out with friends. Sometimes you're going to have to say no to going to sleep. Or like, you know what I mean? Like, there's so much things you have to sacrifice. And then me personally, just editing this all the time, man. Just editing for y'all, making sure I got there. And even just getting my car, bro. There was times where I doubted myself, where I didn't know if I was, you know, cut up to be what it had to be to even get here. But I still believed in myself. I still shrugged it off. You know, I had my girl who reminded me of who I was. She kept me solid. I kept myself solid, and I made it here. And I'm here to tell the testimony, bro. I'm here to tell the testimony and avoid Toyota 4Runners from hitting my car, man. Like, it's all within God's plan. But for real, like y'all, I truly believe y'all can do it, man. And I can't wait for y'all to do it. Man, if y'all like more of these videos where I'm kind of just talking a little bit more, giving y'all my actual reaction to what's going on, let me know. Yeah, that Toyota 4Runner was crazy. I'm glad that she got out the way, man. Those are the type of drivers you see on the... Like, she really almost went off the road when she did that cut. I don't know why she did that cut. That's a big body car to be doing cuts in. But, I mean, maybe she got somewhere to go. Maybe she got a family she got to go home and feed, so she's in a rush. You know what I mean? Maybe the kids are crying or something. I don't know. There got to be a reason for the speeding. But who am I to talk? You know what I mean? I'll be in here. Going the speed limit. Going the speed limit. But yeah, man, let me know if y'all like more of these videos, man. So I think I'm gonna start dropping these periodically just to get back to giving y'all the message of what we're really doing here. Spreading wisdom, spreading knowledge, staying motivated, staying inspired, And most importantly, staying driven.